Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this teal Arabic inspired makeup look for you. I'm starting off by using a dark brown pencil. This is Coffee from MAC, and I'm applying this halfway into my crease. Next, taking the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking the shade Rustic, and I'm smudging this into the coffee pencil we just used. Next, taking the shade Temper, and I'm applying this all over my lid with a flat shader brush. Here I'm taking the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm using this teal light blue shade in the corner. I'm applying this along my lash line and along the tape at an angle, and I'm just using a fluffy blending brush for this. Now taking the Maybelline gel liner, and I'm starting off by going along my lash line, just creating a thin line, and then I'm going to go along the tape to help me create the wing. Now I'm going to remove the tape, and you'll see it creates a nice clean sharp edge. Taking the Rimmel Scandaleyes waterproof eye pencil, and I'm using this on my top waterline. For my bottom waterline, I'm taking the NYX Epic Wear in the shade Intense Teal. This eye pencil is nice and creamy, so it's easy to glide it in the waterline. Just taking that Rustic shade again on the same pencil brush and smudging this under my lower lash line. I'm quickly just going to curl my lashes and then apply some falsies. Here I'm taking the NYX On The Rise mascara and then just blending my natural lashes with the false lashes. Before applying my glitter, I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer. For my glitter, I'm just using one by NYX, and this is the shade 06. And I'm just patting this on top of the primer we just used. This has given a nice sticky base for the loose glitter to stick to. I'm also going to be applying this in the bottom corners of my eye. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. All the products I've mentioned is in the description box below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I upload weekly, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.